This castle overlooking the Hudson wasn't built for royalty. It was built to hide one of the most hated men in America. Welcome to part 2 of my Tri-State Castle by Drone series. Previously, we explored the ruins of Vance Light Castle. Today, we take to the skies above Lyndhurst Mansion. Perched high above the Hudson River, this Gothic Revival estate looks like something out of medieval Europe. But its story is rooted in power, controversy, and survival. Jay Gould was a railroad tycoon of the Gilded Age, and one of the most feared men on Wall Street. Accused of fraud, market manipulation, and crushing labor, he helped trigger the financial panic of Black Friday, devastating countless investors. His tactics earned him names like the most hated man in America and the Mephistopheles of Wall Street. And with enemies everywhere, Gould needed more than just wealth. He needed distance. Hidden within 67 acres in Tarrytown, about 25 miles from Manhattan, Lyndhurst offered privacy, protection, and control. Guarded grounds, direct access to rail lines, and a swift escape along the river. To the public, he was ruthless, even feared. But here, behind these walls, he was something else entirely. A devoted family man with a passion for flowers and botany. And that's the irony of Lyndhurst, where form and function don't align. A mansion built to be seen, perched in full view of the Hudson, became the perfect place to disappear. From hidden estates to forgotten ruins, this series uncovers the stories behind these walls. Subscribe to see what we find next.